Hello Internet. Today I've got a saber to show off to you today. I am calling this Decay. It's meant to be kind of a Jedi saber, Old Republic style sort of, kind of like it's been in a war. That's based on all the weathering here. And this saber is not made of aluminum, it is 3D printed.
That's impossible!
So, takes about, I think it took me 24 hours to print it, plus another day and a half to get it sanded down and primed and painted, weathering, and then the install. Internally, we're running a blue 3-watt LED, 3 or 6. Anyway, a blue LED with a Nano Biscotte V3. You have your white ring lit switch here with an 18500 battery and a 20 millimeter switch or 20 millimeter speaker. The fonts on this one are Echoes of Tython by Nightstorm and Spitfire by Madcow. So let's go ahead and pull the kill key here. This is bank 1, so there's your white ringlet switch there. And there we go. There's your blue. There's 3D printed blade plug in there. Not too bad as far as sound goes. It's actually pretty loud. I don't know if this camera's able to pick me up over this thing, but we'll see. So, there's your... It's just got a little bit of a shimmer on clash. So we'll go ahead and take out the blade plug in there. Oh, that's the wrong one. Let's not take that out. Gotta cut that. Yeah, don't take this one out. This one's where the LED retention screw is. You want the top one. That's where the blade plug is. Yeah, you don't want the LEDs coming out and railing around out there. So we'll just pop in this little shorty here. Then we'll turn off the light here. So that's the first font. Now we'll switch to the second. And this is Spitfire. So it's got that Kylo Ren feel. That's more of a lighter side. It kind of has a little bit lighter hum to it than what he has. So there's your swings. It's got a kind of heavier flicker than the first font. Take out that shorty blade. Put in the blade plug again. There's that. Oh, let's pop it out here real quick. There's the 3D printed, colored to match with the bezel there. Put the kill key back in to conserve battery. That's where your charger would go. But you will want to put the kill key back in because even though the board will go into deep sleep mode, the switch stays lit all the time. So this will kill power to that switch and the board and will keep it from discharging while it's inactive, while you're not using it. And that's about it. I have named this saber Decay, like I said in the beginning, because what I was going for was a Jedi saber that has been left to rot, sort of, or it's seen action and it's just dirty, hadn't had a lot of time to clean it, so it started to decay. The crystal has started to decay. take a count here on how many times I said Decay in this video. But that's about it. If you have any questions, comment them down below. I would appreciate the feedback, but thanks for watching.